Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all well in this situation. I am MD Shariful Islam Tutul from Tutul Portal. At first, I want to say thank you all my friends. You guys are awesome. Why I am thanking to you? Because we have done Yes, we have done 100 subscribers. It's a lot to me. For 100 subscription complete, I am announcing a I have made a HTML template for you all. It's a free and nice template. You can see it has nice sticky header menu. It has a cool hero section with some cool SVG images. It has a scrolling system with simple JavaScript codes. It has nice target system. When you scroll down, every content will do animated entry. It's with a nice simple JS plugin which do this animation. It has a nice portfolio gallery system. You can view any image by just one click. It has a nice contact section. I made PHP code for sending message to email through this contact form. The interesting thing is it has a mobile responsive system. If you open it with any mobile device, it will fulfill responsive. So why are you waiting for? Check the description and find this template source file link. If you want a live view before download, then click on the given link for live view in the description. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay connected with us by subscribing our channel. We will publish nice and cool tutorial from now. Stay happy, stay cool.